Baby squid in olive oil, eaten with rice or eaten with beer, your choice. Cooks in just 5 minutes. If you know how to make adobo, you can make this.
You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen.
Hello, warm welcome mga kababayan. Welcome to Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden. Your kuya and uncle here, Romilo, from Pangasinan, but cooking and gardening here in Holland. We're cooking a very easy recipe today. You might not believe it's even easier than adobo. So if you know how to cook adobo, this is a piece of cake. Yes, much simpler than adobo. It's categorized, or it's being merchandised by Mesa Restaurant, where this is very popular as a modern Filipino cuisine. But the truth is, it is Mediterranean. Yeah, all the ingredients of the seafoods a la plancha in Spain, may it be lobster, may it be shrimps, or what else. Everything that is cooked on a hot plate is seasoned with the same ingredients as we are using here. So this is essentially Mediterranean brought to the Philippines and become a Pinoy food. Yeah, seriously, the ingredients are very simple. They all fit on my small table here in our small kitchen. And I'm going to show you now. In fact, this may be new to me, but I can memorize the ingredients easily. Let's say that better. It may be new to me, but I already know the exact measurements, ideal measurements of the ingredients.
Half a kilo of baby squid, salt and pepper, olive oil, garlic, chili flakes or red chili, lemon, and parsley or kinchay. The description box contains a list.
Okay, let's use the word now, or the verb, which is widely used in most cooking channels. Set aside. We'll set aside the rest of the ingredients for now so that we can prep the spices.
True, even Tagalog channels use set aside. Set aside natin. So for more space, let's set them to aside.
It's just the garlic and the chili that needs to be prepared. How simple this can be.
Sometimes this is more convenient and easier to do than using a garlic crusher. Just finely chop the garlic using a knife like this. We can use fresh Thai chili or dried chili flakes.
By the way, this is optional. In Mesa Restaurant, I don't taste chili in their recipe, but this is the standard. Even in Mediterranean cuisine, or even in Spanish dishes, the use of this is optional. But I'm sure for the people in Bicol, this is a must. But please, no gatak for this. Instead of the coconut milk, we're using a very generous amount of olive oil, fresh or extra virgin oil. It is 1/2 cup. Imagine 1/2 cup for half kilo of baby squid. That's generous. So no cream needed. This places the fat as well as the cream. And that might be abundant, the fat, but we are neutralizing that with lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can also use vinegar. We'll be using 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for the 500 grams of baby squid. And you might as well prepare the juice now. think with that we're ready to cook.
Let's heat the olive oil.
We can start by sauteing the garlic.
And immediately followed by the squid. No time to change angle. And the parsley. I'm using here dried parsley, so I'm using just 1 teaspoon. 2 if it's fresh. Salt, I think I've used a generous amount of salt here. And next, the pepper. Freshly ground or freshly cracked, as others would say. See, in 3 minutes or less, it's now cooked. And don't forget the chili. In no time, it changed color.
This is really quick, too quick that I don't have time to change camera. Now, last shot. Adding the, what's this, lemon. It's really quick. We don't want the squid to be overcooked. They're still young, so they overcook easily. So we remove the squid and just reduce the sauce.
And to keep it from cooking further, I turned off the flame here, if you notice.
These are now cooked. We just have to reduce the sauce to leave just oil.
Almost. This is almost pure oil. And let's return the squid. Let's give it some stir and turn it off. It's done.
That was really quick. It's not cooked. Look at that. It's really easy to make. Gawa na rin. Baby squid in olive oil. Modern Pinoy food adapted from the Mediterranean. If you are enjoying what you're watching, don't forget to subscribe or share. Uploads every Friday. And during the summertime, we have garden uploads Wednesdays. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified of every release. It's really delicious. It's not overcooked, so don't forget to remove it from the sauce and then return it once the sauce thickens or it's almost 100% oil. Isa pa. Actually, I'll leave this for later. I'll eat it with rice. That was really quick. I think in less than 5 minutes it was cooked. Sayang ang mga set-up. Ay, ay, ay.